Welcome back to our course, and today we are going to see what is Dart. Dart is a general purpose programming language developed by Google, and this language is used to develop web applications, also used to develop servers, desktops, and mainly mobile applications, which is iOS and Android applications. If you know object-oriented programming and other C-style languages like Java, C#, Python, you may find learning Dart not that complicated. And Dart is a language behind the Flutter UI framework, which is a framework used to develop iOS and Android applications. So Dart is a very powerful language. You can use it to develop any applications, a web application, a server, a desktop applications, and the mobile applications. If you want to learn more, or if you want to know more about that, there is a website which is dart.dev. You can find a lot of information about that here in this website, and there is a lot of things that you may understand and learning. There is also a Dart documentations where you'll get introduced to Dart. Also, this is very powerful resources if you want to expand more knowledge and learn more things. They have tried to make their documentation powerful and useful. So, as I said, that you're going to learn that too. And the main reason is that in Dart 2.12 and above, there is introduction to null surface, where they have introduced it concept, introduced that null surface, and since this version 2.12, and then this course will use the latest, so make sure that you have that 2.12 and above, and I will show you how to install you in a coming video. And there is an article here introducing that null surface. Actually, we won't cover this in this beginner course. There is an entire intermediate course where I've explained more about that null surface, but this is a very major productive features that was introduced in that 2.12 and above, and the reason was to help you avoiding null errors, which was very painful in that's back then, where there is a lot of bug in the production code. And another reasons why you should learn that is Flutter. As I've said, Flutter is an UI framework for developing mobile application, iOS and Android. Developing an iOS and Android using the single code base was not easy till Flutter was introduced by Google, and the language behind it is Dart. So there is also a website here, Flutter, where you will learn about Flutter. Don't worry, there is also a course in the coming videos, in the coming courses, where I will explain and I will teach you Flutter. For now, just leave it, let you focus to that. It's where we will learn a lot of stuff. So I think this is enough. Till next time, when I will show you how to install Dart in our machine, and we'll see how we can set everything up, and I will see the tools that we need so as we can proceed with the rest of this course. Till that time, bye bye.